Singsang kay Tayleo. My name is Nobisa Samuelos. I'm 47 years old. I'm single. I came from Negros Occidental, Philippines. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate. I am a pet lover. I have dog and cats. My expertise to work is taking care of children, elderly care, and disabled person. I was worked as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from November 15, 2008 to December 10, 2010. I served one couple and five children. They are 14, 12, 10, 8, and 2 years old. My duties are cooking, ironing, gardening, car washing, cleaning the house, taking good care of children, and clean dishes. I also work in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months, from March 17, 2023 to June 18, 2024. I served two elderly, 85 years old and 79 years old. The reason for leaving that Hong Kong is passed away. My duties are taking care of elderly, marketing, changing diaper, taking shower, giving food, giving medicine, giving massage, and take some walk exercise. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for myself and for my family. And I'm willing to taking care of elderly and disabled person. For my future employer, Mom Sir, please choose me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, obedient, and have a long patience. And I promise that I will be your good housemate and I will prioritize my job. I will do all my very best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow all the rules that you have given me. I hope to see you soon, and I'm looking forward for you to work with you. And I will finish my 2 year contract. Thank you.